same God who made the heavens spoke the stars into the sky. The same God who puts the sparkles in the baby's eyes. He parted the sea, caused the blind eyes to see. Lord, your creation testifies. You're the God who is wise. So I lift your name on high. Lord, I say, Ihe Imere Di Mma, Ihe Imere Di Mma, Ihe Imere Di Mma, Ihe Imere Di Mma, Chukwu okike, Chukwu okike, Chukwu okike, Ihe Imere Di Mma, oh na 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 na, yeah yeah yeah. You are beautiful beyond description. Oh, 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 oh. There's no one like Gaga. Yeah, 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 yeah. Now hear this. See the little flowers that opens and the little birds that flies. Lord, you made their glowing colors and you formed their tiny wings. And you gave us eyes to see them, gave us lips so we can tell how great is God Almighty, who has made everything so well. Hey, Ihe Imere Di Mma, Ihe Imere Di Mma, Ihe Imere Di Mma, Ihe Imere Di Mma. The trees, the leaves, the bees, the wind, the sea, they cry. They are your feet, oh Lord, the saints sing in one accord. They say, they keep crying, hear the elders sing, and the angels flap their wings. They keep saying, Isoka Jehovah is. They all testify that Ihe Imere Di Mma, your creation, they say. Now Ihe Imere Di Mma, Oraka Gi Mara Mma, Oraka Gi Mara Mma, Awututu, Owanabani, Mama Dobini We, Anabara Gi